Johnny's having lunch at Hall 11 right now. He's asking if we want to meet up.
Yeah, of course.
Sure.
How can we get to Hall 11?
I'm actually not sure.
I'm not
Yeah,
sure
Sam.
Should we ask around?
too. Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Hello. May we ask how do we get to Hall 11, please?
Yeah, do you know there is an app called Omnibus? Let me just check. You can see there is the red loops or the blue loops you can take.
Oh.
So let me just search. So you can take the red loops. It's coming up in 3 minutes.
Oh,
Thank you so much. Let's go, let's go.
Hey, what are you cooking?
I'm queuing for the mixed vegetable rice.
Oh.
Yeah, I haven't had it in a while and it's really tasty and I'm going to order some food. Super hungry.
Why don't we go find some kids?
Perfect.
Okay. Bye, see you later.
Wow,
Wow,
this is
looks
so
good.
great.
Super hungry. You're welcome to try a bit of my meal.
Okay.
So let's eat.
I'm gonna go for this one first.
The sweet and sour.
What is that?
This
Sweet and sour pork.
sweet and sour pork.
Yeah, this one's so great.
I think it's their signature dish actually.
It's good,
We're
it's
gonna
really
try the
crunchy.
snake.
Okay.
For me, go for the chicken.
So I'll get the
I
chicken.
love sweet and sour, don't you?
Yeah, I like sweet and sour thing.
The egg is very savory. Yeah.
This one's so good.
What do you think of it?
The chicken is juicy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah,
Is this egg?
This is
Yeah.
steamed egg.
steamed egg.
Is it quite popular in Hong Kong?
Yeah, it's our traditional dish. Like every children will like it.
Do you
Okay.
use it as an appetizer or a meal?
No, this is a dish. Yeah.
Oh, this is a proper dish.
Yeah.
So John, how did the interview go?
Yeah, it went really well, thanks. Thanks for asking.
Ooh, let's celebrate about it.
Sure.
Let's definitely do that.
Should we find a nice place out of school?
I'm thinking somewhere local.
So Johnny, which restaurant do you want to go?
I've heard Mala Tang is really good. So
Sure.
a hot pot place.
Let's meet at there like after our class.
Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do it.
See you after class.
Bye bye. See ya. It looks so fresh.
And let's get some veggies as well.
Let's have a bit of everything. How about that? Congrats, Johnny, for your interview. Thank you so much. Cheers.
Yes.
Let's start our meal.
What is this? What is this?
This is called mahjang. It's like peanut and sesame.
Oh, great.
So you should try something here and then dip in the
Okay,
sauce.
let's eat.
Calamari.
This one's so big.
We're gonna dip.
Yeah. Go for the veggie. Is it good? It has a lot of garlic inside.
Yeah.
And some like soy sauce or
It's actually quite healthy. Because you can choose the ingredients.
yeah. You can just choose protein and also veggie.
Exactly.
Is that a carrot? Oh no, that's a sausage.
Yeah, this is a small sausage. Yeah, this is the fish cake.
And dip it into some peanut sauce.
Yeah, of course.
I'm gonna go with the chips.
Yeah, the chip is so good.
So is this normal? Or is it just specific to this restaurant, the chips?
It's quite
the way
normal.
the way they present it?
It's quite normal, but they would just put it above of the bowl. But here they just separate it.
Oh, okay, so
Quite good.
presentation.
Yeah, presentation.
I love how every country has a different way of preparing like potatoes. Here's chips and everything. In Italy, they put it on pizza.
Today.
Yeah.
Yeah, they do. Oh, there's actually fish in there.
Oh,
Like
and also
Chinese fish and chips.
sausage here.
Can you hear me? ASMR. I am going to try some chips. I have picked a very crunchy one. Dipping into the peanut sauce and it is falling apart. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Wow, I'm so full. So which is your favorite?
For me, would be the mala xiangguo. So that one is really wonderful. I like the sauce, the peanut butter one, and also the sesame inside, and also like the crispy potato chips. I really enjoy about it. What about you guys?
Victoria, what do you think?
I like things where I can pick and choose a little bit. So it will be a tie between the mala hot pot and crowdable.
That's great.
Okay, I really enjoyed the mixed rice. I really enjoyed that. You can add your own dishes. And also, I like eating rice.
Yeah.
It's kind of a no-brainer for me.
How about you?
I'll go for the mala hot pot. Because I like the sesame sauce that goes throughout and the whole combination.
Oh, it was so good.
That's so good.
You know what, guys? I'm so full.
Yeah.
Yeah, we've had so much food to eat today, but it's really good. We've got all these diverse options.
Yeah.
So next time we can probably try something else.
Yeah. Let's go. Down.
So we'll ask you, what would you like to see next time? And we'll go.
Like, comment, and subscribe.
What about you?
I'll choose that.
How about you?
I'll get some composure.
Yeah, okay. Think about something. Calm down, calm down.